If you're serious about four-wheel driving, then getting bogged is all part of the fun. But sometimes you'll bite off more than you can chew and find yourself in a race against time to get your four-wheel drive unstuck before the water of a rising tide or a grubby bog hole seriously damages your vehicle. That's where Maxtrax are so good. But if yours are stuck under the gear in the back of your four-wheel drive or under the swags on your roof rack, then it can take precious time to get them ready for use. That's where Maxtrax universal mounting brackets can save the day. They're designed to hold up to 4 Maxtrax on the side, front, top or rear of your roof rack. Best of all, it means you can have your Maxtrax ready for use in seconds. Maxtrax universal mounting brackets are made right here in Australia and are designed specifically to handle harsh Aussie conditions. They're injection molded and made from a carbon, glass fibre and nylon composite material, which gives them a strength and flexibility that's capable of withstanding the worst corrugations the outback can throw at you. They're also easily fitted to your roof rack without the need to drill mounting holes or damaging your roof rack or vehicle. Unlike the other Maxtrax mounts out there, the Maxtrax universal mounting brackets can be adjusted left to right or up and down. This ensures there's no chance of your Maxtrax catching on an opening or closing vehicle door, and also allows you to adjust for overhead obstacles such as your garage door or your carport roof. But arguably the best part about these mounting brackets is how quickly you can have them ready for use. All you need to do is remove the safety clips, spin off each of the aluminium knobs, and in as little as 20 seconds your Maxtrax are ready to use. If you're looking for the best way to mount your Maxtrax, then visit 4x4designs.com.au and check out the Maxtrax universal mounting bracket. They'll make your life on the tracks a whole lot easier.